I have been trying to use simple oils in my hair and my skincare routine, especially ones that can be used in more than one way. This SVA pumpkin seed oil was gifted to me to try, and I like that it is cold pressed organic carrier oil that can be used for the scalp, hair, face, skin, and the body. The bottle is 4 ounces and it comes with a glass dropper, which I really appreciate because oils can get really messy really fast. Without a dropper, I personally somehow always end up pouring out enough oil to moisturize myself, the counter, and possibly the floor. This makes it much easier to control how much I am using. The oil has a really nice lightweight feel. It does not feel overly heavy or sticky, which is important to me, especially if I am using on my hair or my face. For skincare, I like using just a few drops. I warm it between my hands first and then gently press it into my skin or massage it into dry areas. It helps with dryness and makes skin feel soft and hydrated without leaving a greasy mess. It absorbs really well and it works great as a moisturizer on its own or mixed into creams and lotions. You can mix a few drops into a body lotion, face cream, or bath products if you don't want to use it by itself. Adding it to a product that has your favorite scent is perfect for this product because it has no added fragrance. I think that is one of the nice things about the carrier oils. You can keep the routine very simple, or you can use them to boost. This can be used as a scalp massage oil or added into a shampoo, conditioner, or a hair mask. I would start with a small amount because a little oil does go a long way. I like the idea of using this as a pre-wash scalp treatment. You can massage a little into the scalp, let it sit for a while, and then wash it right out. For the ends of my hair, I would use the tiniest amount after washing, almost like a finishing oil. Just a drop or two rubbed between my hands and lightly applied to the ends can help add a smoother look without overdoing it. I also appreciate that it is free from preservatives and not tested on animals. But what I like most is how versatile it is. Instead of having one product for scalp massage, another for body care, another for dry patches, this one bottle can be used several different ways. This makes it useful if you're trying to keep your routine a little simpler. My biggest tip is to start small. With oils, it is always easier to add more than to realize you've used too much, and everything you touch now has a little shine to it.